Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, where today I'm here with another video to show you guys on how you can post a video or a photo on your Instagram from your PC or laptop. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video. Go on to Instagram on your laptop, and after you open up Instagram, you can see an option to create on the left hand side of your screen. If you tap on create, these two options of post and live video will appear. You just have to click on post. After you do so, again click on select for computer, and now from here you can select any photo or video of your choice that you want to post on your Instagram. After you do so, just open it up, and number 5, click on next, and from here you can edit the cover photo and trim the video as you want, and you can also keep the sound on or off of the video. And after that, click on next, and again here you can write a caption, add a location, and also many other options as well. If you go on to accessibility, you can see an option where you can write text that will appear on your video. And if you click on an advanced option, you can see there is an option to hide like and view counts, and also commenting as well. If you turn this off, no one will be able to comment on your video. And after all of that is done, you just have to simply click on share and your video will be shared on your Instagram. And that's how you can share a video on your Instagram on your PC. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.